Hello and welcome back to my channel where I fix bullshit that breaks around the house.
Yay!
Today I have a very simple one for you. It's just how to change the cabin filter inside your 2022 F-150 and probably other model years. So I'm going to take you inside and show you how to do that. Come along. Alright, so this is very easy. It's only take you a couple of minutes. Pop open your glove compartment. There's two tabs on the sides here. You just push them in, your glove compartment will come down, you just pull it out, okay? Right here there's three little tabs that go into these holes here, and that's what kind of helps it, guides it up and down. After you get that out, you can look up in here, and over here, they're just little tabs, and you're just gonna pop them out. Okay, this will fold. Oh, it actually comes down, or excuse me, comes out. Take out your old filter. See, mine's pretty dirty. Throw it on the ground. Get your new filter. Open it up, take the box, throw it on the ground. Take your plastic off. Don't throw that on the ground because it's probably going to blow away, and then you'll have to chase it down to throw it away. And this one has arrows on it showing the airflow direction. So that's going to go down. Slide it in. We'll pop our cover back on. Place the tabs in the holes. Snap it back together. Make sure you line all these tabs up with these holes. Okay, there we go. Simple. I have no idea what a shop would charge you to do this, or if you go through a Jiffy Lube or a Valvoline or something, they always offer to do this kind of stuff for you. It's way more expensive. As you can see, that took me all of 5 minutes and cost me $25 for the filter. Hopefully this video helps you out, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.